Hello guys, hope you are doing good. So I wanted to talk something which will transform your life. So you may say that I am doing the practice, I have been doing these things from many days, from many months, but really I'm not getting any kind of improvement on my area. So what is the reason behind it? So let us discuss one by one what could be the reason and how we can get rid of this problem. So let's say that you wanted to improve on particularly stuff. Okay, you wanted to do many things, but you are not able to achieve all those things in your life. So what happened? So mistake number one, I will tell, we are not consistent onto that particular area. So if you wanted to do something, but you are not consistent enough, so do you think that you will get all those results in your life? You will be improving to ourselves? No, never. It will not happen in our life. Then I would say second point is clarity. If we wanted to do something, wanted to improve ourselves, but we don't know what is exactly is going to happen, how it is going to benefit to you, how it is going to solve, or how it is going to affect your life. We don't have that clarity. So just bring all this clarity. You just write down, jot down wherever possible that what could be the benefits, what could be the things that you will get out of this box. Okay, if you wanted to do something in your life, if you don't find any kind of benefits, then definitely we are the human beings, we may not be doing that thing for forever. So that's what it may be the reason. So that's what we have to just think, what is the clarity of your life, what is the clarity of that particularly work. Then I would say that belief. If you don't have belief, we may get these things from someone. Okay, that guy is doing well, if we will do it, then definitely I can get lots of achievement. I may get many things in my life. But what happened, you are just watching and start the things into your life. But what happened, you don't have belief, you don't have trust to yourself, you don't have the faith onto that work. Then how you will be thinking that the way that guy is doing, you will be achieving the same results? It may not happen. We should have that belief. When we'll have that belief, trust, and faith, definitely we can get the amazing results, and slowly and eventually you can see to yourself whether there is an improvement happening or not. Then I would say that many people are doing the mistake. They are not practicing well. They just start something, and after a few days they just don't do the practice. They give up. They just start saying, yes, I am not feeling good, it is not happening, so it is very difficult for me, I'm not a technical guy, I don't have money. So many excuses are coming into the picture, but they don't really practice. Okay, so the amount of practice that is required to improve yourself is really required for your own efforts. If you don't put your efforts and you don't practice it, then how will be getting all those things? That's what practice is required for everyone. So hope you have to practice on your work. Whatever you try to achieve in your life, we should practice a lot. Without practice, nothing will happen. That is too difficult. Instead of if you'll be thinking that how I will achieve, then you need to practice a lot. So practice is the key of the success, as we all know. So we should have that practice in our life. If we wanted to improve ourselves, definitely I would say practice will bring you amazing results in your life. Practice will makes you successful. Practice will uh, giving a mind-blowing result in your life. So hope I just uh, uh, narrated few points, and hope you can utilize, you can just implement all those ideas in your life to get the amazing results in your life. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Bye.